We're Thieving Birds, and it's good to be here in Albuquerque. Just wanted to thank all the fans for coming out to County Line, and a big hell yeah. We want to give a big hell yeah, right?
Hell yeah! Perfect.